In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline in Obsidian. By the end, you'll be able to set up a clean outline for any project, and you'll know a simple plugin that makes bullet lists feel smooth and fast. First, open Obsidian. If you have multiple vaults, pick the one where you keep your notes. You'll land in the main workspace, and that's where we'll build the outline. Create a new note. You can use the New Note button or the hotkey you've set up. Give the note a clear title so you'll recognize it later, like Project Outline or Article Draft. Start your structure with headings. In Obsidian, headings are made with number signs. One number sign gives you a top-level heading, 2 or 3 create subheadings. For example, use a single number sign for a main section, then 2 or 3 for subsections. This creates a natural hierarchy and makes your outline easy to scan. It also improves navigation in the notes outline pane, so you can jump between sections quickly. Next, build the body of your outline with bullet lists. Type a dash and a space to start a bullet, or use the shortcut listed in your hotkeys, such as Ctrl+L if you've mapped it that way. Press Enter for a new bullet, Tab to indent for subpoints, and Shift+Tab to outdent. Keep each bullet short and focused. If a bullet gets long, break it into a few sub-bullets to make it clearer. To make outlining even smoother, let's set up the Outliner plugin. Open Settings from the bottom left gear icon. Go to Community Plugins. If you're prompted to allow community plugins, confirm so you can proceed. In the Community Plugins area, use the Browse view to find plugins from the community. If a panel opens and you don't need it yet, you can close it. We'll come right back to the Browse search in a moment. Search for Outliner, then install it. This plugin adds intuitive keyboard controls and better list handling, especially when moving items up and down or nesting them. After installation, enable the plugin so it's active in your vault. If the plugin offers options, you can later tweak behaviors like indent levels or movement shortcuts to match how you like to think and write. Now return to your note and continue outlining with headings and bullets. Use indentation to represent hierarchy. Keep sections small and purposeful, and don't be afraid to rearrange items as your ideas evolve. With headings providing structure and the Outliner plugin streamlining list management, you'll have a flexible, fast system for turning messy thoughts into a clear plan.